Be ready, start. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I am pleased to preside over your annual general meeting, and I am again able to report a successful year's trading, although the available balance is less than for the previous year. The net profit for the year under review is 32,000 rupees, and from this figure the sum of 19,000 rupees has been allocated for taxation, and amount which I am sure you will agree is an excessive proportion of the company's earnings. In their report, the directors set out the manner in which they propose to deal with the available profits, and they are pleased to recommend a final dividend of 12.5%, making a total of 17.5% for the year, which compares with 33 and a third percent before. The company doubled its capital by the capitalization of its reserve in December last. During the period since 1979, when we became a public company, more than 50,000 rupees has been retained out of profits for re-equipment and the more efficient running of the businesses. Your company has paid the same dividend over those 7 years, and this year the distribution is slightly higher. I think you will agree with these figures indicate that your company's business is very sound and in good order. During the year under review, profit margins were reduced in an effort to absorb extra cost and avoid passing these on the customer in an endeavor to limit exciting prices. Para, your board continues to pursue the policy of installing modern machinery because it is their view that only in that way can they compete on the best of terms. Within the last 2 months, additional land and buildings adjacent to the company's works have been acquired, which will improve the layout of the works and thereby increase efficiency. Plant and machinery to the value of 8,000 rupees has been installed during the year in accordance with the company's policy, to which I have just referred, and we still have machinery to the value of approximately 16,000 rupees on order. I will conclude by expressing my thanks to our staff and work people for the way they have carried out their duties, and my appreciation of the loyal support I have received from my colleagues on the board. Stop.